Are you a small or mid-sized business owner in India and constantly juggle between the growth of your business and keeping the costs low? Salesforce, the #1 CRM platform, can help. It is your way to acquire and retain your customer base while you focus on your business growth. But buying a CRM is a huge decision. Hello and namaste. I'm Shrey and I'm here to make your decision making of buying the right CRM easier. How? By busting myths around Salesforce, and the first one is that Salesforce CRM is only for big companies. You must be thinking, how is it even possible? Before I begin, let me drop a mind boggler. 70% of Salesforce customers in India are SMBs. That's right, folks. Salesforce isn't just for the big players. It's the secret sauce for small and mid-sized businesses too. It's like discovering that your favorite superhero is also a friendly neighborhood helper for businesses of all sizes. You will have the same powerful platform used by industry titans at your fingertips, streamlining your operations, boosting your customer relationships, and giving you the agility to get ahead of your competitors. Here are a few reasons why Salesforce is right for your business. The first reason why small and mid-sized business owners often think that Salesforce is not for them is due to its price point. Plus, there is a false perception that Salesforce is expensive and is affordable only for the big companies. So to debunk this myth, there is Salesforce Starter, which starts at only 2,000 rupees per user per month. Isn't that surprising? It is the fastest and the easiest way to get started with Salesforce CRM. Salesforce offers a range of plans like Starter, Professional, and Enterprise plans to fit your budget. These plans cater to businesses of all sizes. So Salesforce is basically a pay-as-you-go, scale-as-you-grow solution. Low cost does not mean low capabilities. You can keep adding capabilities as your business needs change. With Salesforce, you can unlock lead and opportunity management, product management, and forecasting with tried and true out-of-the-box sales process that deliver results right out of the gate. And to maintain customer loyalty, it offers case management, knowledge management, and service analytics. Further, the opportunity to automate routine tasks like email marketing, lead nurturing, and campaign management can help you optimize your entire lead generation workflow. Small business owners like Jaipur Rugs have reported 30% more productivity and conversions through marketing automations through Salesforce CRM. Wait, there is more. The best part is you don't need to have any technical expertise to use Salesforce. It's a complete self-service, no-code system. Our last fact will solve all your growth-related concerns and bring you a step closer to integrating Salesforce with your business. Some people also believe that Salesforce is too much of a task, difficult for a small business to implement. But here's the truth. Salesforce is scalable. Small businesses can start with essential features and then scale up as they grow. And guess what? You pay only for what you need. There's TLC Digitech, a mid-sized company based in New Delhi, using Salesforce to build a foundation for lifelong growth, managing customer relationships and operations seamlessly while enhancing their sales and marketing efforts. Offering over 10 times boost in member acquisition rates for the hotel brands they serve, fueling over 5 lakh downloads of their apps. So there you have it. Salesforce isn't just for the big players. It's a versatile platform that caters to businesses of all sizes, from startups to enterprises. But this isn't just one myth around Salesforce. And we will be debunking more myths in our coming videos, which can be either big shockers or eye-openers for you. So if you enjoyed busting these myths with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Salesforce insights. Until next time, keep innovating and Salesforcing.